Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man and I'm coming to you with another video. Today's another taste test video, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay notified when I upload new videos. So, we are going to be trying a new flavor of Oreo today. This is called Blackout Cake Flavor Cream Oreo. I'm not sure exactly what this is, other than that it looks like a chocolate cake with chocolate icing and chocolate filling, so probably should be good. It's hard to screw up chocolate. I'm going to try a couple cookies here, because obviously you have to try one plain, but then you also have to try it with a nice cup of milk as well, because everybody knows Oreos and milk go together hand in hand. So let's get one of these out. You can see there's two different color chocolate creams in there, a darker chocolate and a lighter chocolate. Let's see how this is. Mmm, this is damn good. Damn good. It tastes almost like a cake in Oreo form. Now let's see how a milk infused one of these is. Secret to a good Oreo and milk is you hold it until the bubbles are not really coming up that much anymore, but not so long that the cookie starts to turn into, crumbles into mush and disintegrates to the bottom of the top. Mm, not bad, but the milk doesn't add as much to this type of Oreo as it does to others. I'm going to have one more of these because the last one I want to be able to show you guys some of the cream there. So as you can see, there's a lighter chocolate brown there as well as the darker chocolate. These are good though. Definitely track those down if you get a chance because they are a limited time flavor. So once they're gone, they are gone. But they get the DMC Jedi Man thumb of approval, and hopefully you guys did enjoy this taste test. I actually have one other Oreo flavor that I'll be taste testing soon as well, but you'll have to keep your eyes peeled for that one because I will see you guys next time. Peace, everybody.